Welcome to the Tune Project. Today, I'll be teaching you how to play the tune Margaret's Waltz on the fiddle, so stay tuned. If you end up enjoying this video and finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one regularly here, so consider hitting that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I post a new video. As always, the timestamps are listed below if you'd like to skip around, and if the pacing is a little too slow or too fast for you, you can adjust the speed in your video settings. And if you'd like to go beyond the basics and learn the version of the tune you heard just a minute ago with some added double stops and ornaments, then definitely check out the extended version of this tutorial over on Patreon. The link is in the description box below. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So as you probably guessed from the title, this tune is a waltz, which means that we are in 3/4 time. It's also in the key of A major, so we have 3 sharps going into this tune, and here is our first phrase. Okay, so we started on a C sharp, and all of that was between the D and A string. So just minimal string crossing there, and we're staying within that middle range. And the second phrase starts exactly the same way as the first phrase, beginning on a C sharp, and then coming down to the D string immediately. Okay, and we're ending on that A half note, holding that for 2 counts. And that was actually the whole A part. It's a pretty short one, and the form of this tune is A, A, B, and the B section is a little bit longer. But now that we've learned the whole A part, let's go ahead and play it together at a slow tempo for practice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. All right, moving right along into this B part, we're gonna start on the A string with 2 pickup notes, and then we're moving up to the E string. So we've got a little bit more going on in the higher range in this section. Here's our first phrase. Okay, so the highest note of the phrase was A, our third finger on the E string, and then of course we ended on that half note open E. Moving on to the second phrase of the B part, we come back down to the A string with a C sharp to begin. All right, and then our third phrase is very similar to the first phrase, so hopefully you recognize some of these notes. There is a slight change though as we get to the second half of this phrase. Okay, so hopefully you heard that descending scale we had going from the E string to the A string there. And then finally, our last phrase of the B part actually matches the last phrase of the A part. So all of these notes should be familiar to you. All right, and now that you've learned the whole tune, just like we did for the A part, let's go ahead and play this B part together at a slow tempo for practice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Well, there you have it. That was all of Margaret's Waltz. I really hope you enjoyed learning that one with me today. And as I said earlier, if you'd like to take this tune to the next level and make it sound a little bit more like a fiddle tune by adding some ornaments, then check out the extended tutorial over on Patreon. And if you tend to learn better with sheet music, I do have the sheet music for this tune available on my website, and the link for that is in the description box below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing. Many of the tunes that I teach here on the Tune Project are selected by my Patreon members, so if you'd like to have a say in the tunes that are featured on this channel, consider joining us on Patreon.